Welcome to solverfy.
If we have a flower pot that falls off a ledge from 180 feet, then we have a position function, negative 16t squared plus 180, where 180 is the initial height, and that negative 16 comes from acceleration due to gravity on Earth. If we want to know the time it hits the ground or hits the street means a height of 0. So set your function equal to 0. So negative 180 equals negative 16t squared. Divide both sides by negative 16. You have 11.25 is equal to t squared. Take the square root, and we're going to get approximately 3.35, and this is feet per second. So that's our answer to the first part. And now we want to change that 3.35 feet in 1 second to miles per hour. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour, and 1 mile has 5,280 feet. Now just multiply straight across 3.35 times 60 times 60. That is going to give you on top 12,060, and then that's over 5,280. Let's look at the labels. Seconds cancels, minutes cancels, feet cancel, and you're left in miles per hour, which is what you want. So let's divide, and you're going to get 2.28 miles per hour.